Hi everyone, this is the room we're doing Dominate Your Ground in a week on Saturday. My name's Mark Ironton and I've been trading, buying and selling property for over 20 years now. And the thing is, lots of people get stuck on their property journey and they don't know where to go. They're either at the beginning, they don't know where to start, they're in the middle and they've got stuck, or they're experienced but want to grow and expand. And so this workshop from 9 until 5 on Saturday is about all three of those groups. So if you're at the start of the journey and you're not sure what sort of deals you can do, what sort of deals suit the area, suit the ground that you live in, or suit your skills or your current skills, then this is for you. If you're in the middle or an accidental landlord and you've got stuck, or you've got kind of 3 or 4 properties and you're not sure how to where to go next because you might have run out of money, because people do run out of money. Property is quite an intensive, money intensive hobby or business. And you might have got stuck. This is the place for you then, because I'll show you how to expand the business, putting some processes in place. And you might be an experienced landlord and you've got a regular sized portfolio, 9 properties to 13 or 14 properties, and you might want to grow, you might want to scale the business a bit more, and you might want to put some processes and systems in place. Then we'll go through a few of them as well in the afternoon. So what's Dominate Your Ground about? Well, it's about leads, deals and trade. So getting the leads in, turn them into deals, and then trading them out to make money, or keeping them because it's your money, of course, and they're your deals. So you can keep them if you want to and buy them and hold. And in the afternoon, we'll be going through some case studies of one-to-one clients that are already doing it. They're already in property. Some are part-time, some are full-time. And we'll see how they put the deals together, how they found them, how they put them together, how they did the finances, the money to put the deal together, and then how they got paid at the end of it and how long it took them. So you've got an idea of some clients that are doing deals already. And there's plenty of networking too, because people in property generally need one of these 3 things at least. So time, money or skill. So if you've got time or need someone with time, or you've got skill or need someone with skill, or you've got money and need someone with money, then this is the place to be as well, because we'll have 60 people in this room on the 29th. They're all at some stage of their property journey. Some are at the beginning, some are experienced, some are full-time, some are part-time. They're all doing different types of strategies, because we learn when we source a deal from a motivated seller that we sort the strategy out later. It doesn't, as long as we've got the deal, it doesn't matter what the strategy is, we sort that out later to match the deal and match the person we're talking to, in the property. So if you'd like to come on board, there'll be a link below this video, or in the text of this video. It's Dominate Your Ground. It's a full-day workshop at the Leonardo Hotel in Hinckley in Leicestershire. That's LE10, and we run from 9 till 5. Grab yourself a ticket. It's $29.99, including the VAT. That pays for the room and for lunch. Those famous jewelries, sandwiches and chips. So we've got lunch. I know you can't see this on the video, but behind us we've got a serving area, and then a networking area, and then a bar at the back and stuff. So it's a great room for kind of chilling and talking to people and elevator pitching, and then getting the elevator pitches back and swapping business cards, making contacts in the industry. And as I say, there'll be 60 people here on Saturday the 29th, 9 till 5. And my name's Mark Ironton, and I look forward to seeing you if you'd like to come along.